In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Windows 11 Update KB5050021 not installing on versions 23H2/22H2. If you're struggling with this issue, follow these step-by-step instructions to get it resolved. Step 1. Start the App Readiness service. Open the Windows search bar and type Services. Click on Services in the results. Locate App Readiness in the list. Double-click to open the properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply, then Start, if it's highlighted, and then click OK. Now try updating your system. If the problem persists, move to the next step. Step 2. Move the WinREAgent folder Open File Explorer and navigate to this PC, then C drive. Look for the folder named WinREAgent. If it's not visible, go to View, then Show then Hidden Items to make hidden folders visible. Copy the WinREAgent folder to a backup location, like your desktop. Delete the folder from the C drive. Try updating Windows again. After the update, restart your computer. If successful, move the folder back to its original location. Step 3. Run the Windows update. Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. Let the troubleshooter finish its process. Restart your computer and check if the update installs. Step 4. Restart Windows Update and BIT Services. Open Windows Search and type Services. Locate Windows Update in the list. Double-click Windows Update and set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply, then Start, and then click OK. Right-click Windows Update and select Restart. Repeat these steps for Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS. After restarting both services, try the update again. Step 5. Use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Visit the Microsoft website link provided in the video description. Download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant, run the tool, and follow the on-screen instructions to update your system. Step 6. Manually install the update via Microsoft Update Catalog. Open the Microsoft Update Catalog, link in the video description. Search for KB5050021 in the search bar. Find the update that matches your system version, e.g. 23H2 or 22H2x64. Click Download and then click the blue hyperlink to start downloading. Once downloaded, run the installer to manually update your system. Restart your computer after installation. Step 7. Reset Windows Update components. Copy the reset commands provided in the video description. Open Notepad and paste the commands. Save the file as wureset.bat and select all files as the file type. Right-click the saved file and select Run as Administrator. Allow the process to complete and restart your computer. Once your PC restarts, try updating Windows again. Step 8. Use the Media Creation Tool. Download the Media Creation Tool from the Microsoft website, link in the description. Run the tool and accept the terms. Select Upgrade, this PC now, and follow the prompts. Ensure that the option to keep personal files and apps is selected to prevent data loss. Conclusion. One of these steps should help you successfully install Update KB5050021 on Windows 11. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to Error Genie, comment. If you have any questions or issues, thank you for watching, and see you in the next troubleshooting guide.